I'm Neeru Saxena, Assistant Professor in the School of Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss about the pointer in C. What are pointers? Pointers are nothing but the variable that can be able to store the address of another variable. That variable can be of integer type, character type, array, function, or any other pointer. Now, how the size of the pointer can be decided? The size of the pointer will not be dependent upon the data type. It is dependent upon the architecture of the computer. If we say the architecture of the computer is of 32-bit architecture, the size of the pointer will be of 2 byte whether it is of integer type or character type or float type or any other type of data. Now we will explain it with the help of example. We say there is a variable called integer n equal to 10. Now the pointer can be declared by giving the asterisk sign in front of the variable name, like integer star p. Star p is a pointer. Once we say star p equal to ampersand n, that means pointer p will be referred to the memory location n. That means n will be located at 101 memory location. Automatically the memory location will be assigned to the pointer p. How we can declare the pointer? Like syntaxes, data type, star, pointer name. Like int pointer, sign of pointer, ptr. ptr is the pointer name. Character type of pointer, ptr1. In the first case, integer type of pointer, ptr. If we say syntaxes pointer variable name equal to ampersand variable name, that means assigning data to the pointer variable. So, if we say star a comma b equal to 10, one is pointer a, another is integer variable b, which is holding the value as 10. Once I say a equal to ampersand b, the memory location of b will be assigned to the pointer a. In the other case, integer type of variable quantity and integer type of pointer p. Quantity consists of the value 20. Once I say p equal to ampersand quantity, quantity will be stored at 101 memory location. That memory location will be assigned to the pointer p, like in this case. Over here, quantity and p are the variable, and quantity consists of 20 and memory location is 500. The address is 55048. It will be something like that. The value will be assigned to a particular the value will be stored over there. The memory location will be assigned to a particular variable. Now, why do we use pointer? Pointer, as we know that one function can be able to return one value. But if we wanted to return more than one value, then we can use pointer. So with the help of pointer, we can be able to return more than one value. To pass array and string more conveniently from one function to another. By using the pointer, we make our program very convenient to use. To manipulate array more easily by moving pointer to them instead of moving the array themselves. That means we can make manipulation in the array very easily rather than moving moving within the arrays one after the other by using the loop and sequentially moving into the value, by using the index number from the base index number to the last element of an array. So pointer can be able to use my work very easy to manipulate our data by using the function, by returning more than value, and at the same moment of time, we can be able to dynamically allocate our memory by using pointer. What do you mean by dynamically allocating the memory? Dynamic allocation of the memory means that we can allocate the memory at the runtime. Now, if we use array, that means what we are doing that we are fixing the position. Like if we say int a of 5, that means 5 memory location will be occupied. whether we are entering the value into that or we are not entering the value into that. So that means if only we are entering two values, three of the memory location will be wasted. But in case of the pointer, whenever we require memory, it will be allocated at the runtime, and after using it, the memory will be free. This is what we call is the allocation of the memory at the runtime, or dynamic allocation of the memory. Next point is to create complex data structures such as linked list, where one data structure must contain the reference to other data structure. Now this will be done later on, but with the help of pointer, my work of the linked list or stack or queues will be made much easier. Now what are the advantages? Advantage of using the pointer at is a pointer enables us to access a variable that is defined outside the function. That means by the use of pointer, we can be able to access any variable that can be defined outside the function. As we know that the life of a particular variable of the local variable will be within the function itself. But if we talk about if we are using another function where I wanted to access that particular variable, that cannot be done. But with the help of pointer, we can be able to access the variable outside the function also. Pointers are more efficient in handling the data tables. Pointer reduces the length and complexity of the program. That I will explain you with the help of example later on. So with the help of the pointer, the length of the program will be reduced, and we can be able to use pointer by making a simplest program rather than making a complex program. They increase the execution speed also. Definitely we are working on the memory. The pointer will move from memory location to memory location. The speed of the execution speed of the particular program will be much faster. The use of the pointer array to a character string result in saving of data, storage space and memory. Pointer array that definitely save our data storage space also in the memory. The function pointer can be used to call a function also, that is known as the call by reference. Pointer array give a convenient method for storing a string also, and many of the C inbuilt functions that work with the string that uses pointer. And pointer makes our string handling much easier. It provides a way of accessing a variable without referencing to the variable directly. That means we are not going to disturb the element. What we are just pointing to a memory location, and that variable value will be changed at that particular location rather than copying it one at other memory location and then working on that and then transferring the value at the same memory location. Now what we can do is that if it is stored at the 101 memory location, then if we are going to access the data, changes will be done and everything will be done at that particular memory location.